Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located near Oak Creek, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.